Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Today we will study the remaining two generations of computers, that is fourth and fifth generation. Fourth generation computers. They were used from 1975 and are being used till present, but a bit more developed versions. Microprocessors are used in these computers. They are smaller, cheaper and faster than third generation computers. They were developed as personal computer or PC, which are used at homes and offices. Some examples of fourth generation computers are IBM 4300, ICL 2900 and HP 9000. Last is fifth generation computers. They are still in development stage and these computers are able to understand human voices, which is based on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence or AI is the ability of computer to think and act like humans. They are particularly used in robots. Fifth generation computers use microprocessor and mini processor, which works at ultra speed. Some examples are Intel i9, AMD Ryzen and Qualcomm Snapdragon. Examples of fifth generation computers are Alienware 17, Dell Inspiron and Asus ROG 2. Now here is the comparison of all the generations of computers. Processor in first generation are vacuum tubes, in second generation transistors, in third generation integrated chips, in fourth generation microprocessor, and in fifth generation micro and mini processors are used. Inputs are given by punched cards and paper tapes in first and second generation, keyboard in third generation, keyboard, mouse and touch in fourth generation, and keyboard, mouse, touch and voice are used in fifth generation. Output is taken out by printer in first and second generation, monitor and printer in third and fourth generation, monitor, printer and hologram in fifth generation. Memory is kept in magnetic drums for first and second generation, then magnetic disk for third and fourth generation, and solid state drive or SSD in fifth generation. Size of computer were very huge in first generation, but it gets smaller and smaller in later generations. Speed of computer was slow in first generation, but it gets faster in later generations and now it is super fast in fifth generation. Cost of computer was very high in first generation, but it gets cheaper in later generations. Examples of first generation are ENIAC and UNIVAC. Second generation are IBM 704 and IBM 1401. Third generation are IBM 370 and NAV 7500. Fourth generation are Intel Pentium Core i3 and Macintosh. And fifth generation are Intel i9, Snapdragon, Dell Inspiron and AI robots. So children, this is all in this topic. See you again later. Bye bye.